Good afternoon and konnichiwa. It's Abdushan in Japan, back with you, making videos again. What's one thing that annoys me about Japan? Disclaimer, I love Japan. I love a lot of things, but there are obviously some things that annoy me. I'm not saying they're wrong, just telling you what annoys me, okay? So before you start saying, just shut up and listen, please. Kudasai, don't cry. One thing that ticks me off a little bit is, it never did in the beginning, but now it really does, is when you're talking to a female in Japan, a woman, like a colleague or whoever that might be, and you say something and they're amazed at it. They make this sound, I'll do it for you now. I can't even do it properly, man. It kind of it just annoys me now. That's just their way of showing amazement, and I guess the man will be like, what? It's just starting to get annoying. I don't know why. It's one of those things that annoy me. Like some accents annoy some people. Maybe the British accent annoys you. Maybe the American accent annoys you. That sound annoys me, and I kind of sometimes feel like uppercutting them, but I don't, because I restrain myself, and I'd probably be put in prison or deported, so I don't do that. Yeah. A lot of people do it when they eat as well. So they taste something really good, really tasty. They're like, shut up, please. Kudasai, please. Just say, oh, it tastes good. Use words to express yourself. Don't use sounds, because it just gets to me. But like I said, it's the way the culture is. Maybe I will soon start saying every time. I doubt it. Okay.